I am Aisali and you are watching Saiba News HD. Now we add news from UK.
Includes important news from Sialkot in collaboration with Pakistan Zindabad Journalist Council and Anti-Narcotics Force organized the Allama Iqbal Youth Conference at Murray College Sialkot. Titled Love the Homeland and Deny Drugs. The guest of honor for the event was Brigadier Chaudhry Sikandar Hayat, Regional Director of the Anti-Narcotics Force, Commander Punjab, while Principal Murray College Muhammad Nawaz and Chief Organizer Malik Muhammad Iqbal, Central Chairman Pakistan Zindabad Journalist Council Nakash Jatt, Focal Person ANF participated. Allama Iqbal Youth Conference Principal Government Murray College Muhammad Nawaz, Major Nazir ANF and Malik Muhammad Iqbal highlighted the importance of anti-drug and encouraged the students to participate in positive activities. Speakers said that the students are the capital of our homeland and will work with the Anti-Narcotics Force organization to make every effort to preserve these bases. In his address, Chief Guest Brigadier Chaudhry Sikandar Hayat, the Regional Director of Anti-Narcotics Commander Punjab, said that 60 to 70 million people in Pakistan are addicted to drugs, which is a serious situation. He said that educational institutions can play an important role in the campaign and we all have to work together to protect the youth from this evil. He highlighted the performance of the Anti-Narcotics Force ANF, saying that 580 ANF personnel across Punjab are conducting operations against drugs. He urged the students to become an ambassador to the Anti-Narcotics Force and said that everyone in the society would have to play their part in the campaign. The program was attended by the Chaudhry, Zahid Sharif, Azhar Paswari, Madam Ruby, Tariq Mia, Salim, Kamar, Suhail, Nakash Jatt, Focal Person ANF Malik Hasnain and large number of students. Finally, Principal Government Murray College Dr. Muhammad Nawaz presented the shield to the Regional Director Commander Punjab ANF Brigadier Chaudhry Sikandar Hayat.
More updates, connect with Saiba News HD.